Hello everyone, let's dive into the MSI MEG Maestro 700L PZ, a mid-tower gaming PC case that's making waves with its premium design and innovative features. Right off the bat, the aluminum unibody chassis grabs your attention. The hairline texture gives it a sophisticated, high-end look that sets it apart from the typical plastic-heavy cases on the market. It's clear MSI paid close attention to the aesthetics here. One of the standout features is the support for back-connect motherboards. This is a game-changer for cable management. No more fumbling around, trying to connect cables after you've already installed your massive graphics card and CPU cooler. It simplifies the build process and results in a much cleaner interior. The case features a 270-degree tempered glass panel, offering a panoramic view of your components. The absence of obstructive metal at the corners really enhances the showcase, allowing you to display your build in all its glory. Plus, the safety film adds an extra layer of protection. Another thoughtful addition is the GPU support stand. Sagging graphics cards are a common issue, especially with today's larger, heavier models. The Maestro 700L PZ includes a support stand with a level indicator, making it easy to adjust the height and prevent any unwanted drooping. The magnetic base ensures it stays securely in place. The case also boasts liquid cooling support, accommodating up to a 360mm radiator. This provides ample cooling potential for high-performance builds. The vented front panel further aids in airflow, ensuring your components stay cool even during intense gaming sessions. In summary, the MSI MEG Maestro 700L PZ is a well-designed, feature-rich case that caters to both aesthetics and functionality. The aluminum unibody chassis, back-connect motherboard support, panoramic tempered glass panel, and GPU support stand all contribute to a premium building experience. If you're looking for a case that combines style and substance, the Maestro 700L PZ is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.